Hey nerds, Jess here. In this video, I want to show you how to make clips from a YouTube video. So first, go to the YouTube video that you want to make a clip from. In this example, what I like to do is if I hear something and I want to save it for the future, especially as a business owner, there's so much valuable information on YouTube, but we need to organize it in a way that allows us to be able to go back to it later on. So if I'm taking notes on a YouTube video and I want to clip something, what I'll do is I'll click this clip button right here, and then I'll find that piece of information that I like, and then I will title it, and then I'll share clip, and then I'll copy that. And what's awesome is if I were to send this in a Facebook message or something like that, it'll add that title so then they know exactly what it's referring to. So if I were to paste it in the thing in general, what it's going to do is it's going to show you just my clip with the title of it, and then it'll also allow them to watch the full video from that start. So then they can continue to watch the full video if they like. So that is how you make a clip on YouTube. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I hope you have a great day. Bye.